back, CK here. Right. I'm going to show you today how are we going to make a connection to our xTool F1. Right. So when you actually receive your brand new xTool F1, you make the connection via the cable. You need to do that, and it's an initial stage. That is the first thing that you need to do. You connect the via the USB-C to USB-C. If you are using the new Mac, it will be C to C. If you are using any other device, you have to use the C to the normal USB-A, right? So first of all, what we're going to do will be we come into the gear selection down here. Okay, so currently it's being connected to my D1 Pro. So I'm going to go into the switch device. All right, so down here it's being, because I plugged into USB-C via the cable, so I click onto this. Okay, so there you go, it's being connected via USB. But the thing right now is we're going to make a Wi-Fi connection. That means we're going to set up our xTool F1 to our network. All right, so first of all, we come back to the gear selection down here. This is the screen that you're gonna basically read down here. Then we click into the settings. Okay, from the settings down here, this is the Wi-Fi setting, right? So you can select your home network. Okay, so for example, this is my home network, and you need to key in your, let me refresh, and then you need to key in your home network password. So I'm going to key in my home network password. Okay, so this is the screen that you'll notice that is being set up. Okay, so the F1 is being connected to your home network. So it's down here. It's time for you to disconnect the USB cable. So that's it. You remove the USB cable from the F1. All right, and so this is the Wi-Fi setting. This is my Wi-Fi setting. So the IP address is 192.168.1.112. Okay, so I can just remove that, and I come back to the gear down here. So let this run. Okay, so here you will see connect device. So you come back to the Wi-Fi, or you can go into the IP address. The IP address is just now what I have read out. That is the IP address. It will actually immediately connect. If you actually go into the Wi-Fi, it will actually search the network to look for the device down here. So you can go into the refresh. There you go. So this is the IP address. So you hit that. Okay, the beep sound is there, and that is how you successfully connected your F1 to your network. So you can actually use any of your mobile device, your iPad, to be able to connect to the xTool F1, right? So I hope you guys did follow the tutorial down here. It's a very simple one. So I see you in the next one.